Next topic, it is tourism as a trade, and we know from tourism we are earning much money, and because of the different geographical features of India, we are means we are having coastal area, as well as we are having the what we can say Himalaya, means the snow filled areas and hilly areas, then the plain areas and the rivers, like that many things are there. So we are earning much money from tourism. So we are going to see how the tourism playing a different a role as a trade. Tourism in India has grown substantially over the last 3 decades. From last 30 years onwards, we can see the development of tourism here in India. More than 50 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry. How many people? 50 million people, they are getting job in the tourism industry. Tourism also promotes national integration, provides support to the local handicaps, then the cultural pursuit. How the tourism is our local culture or Indian culture, it is providing the national integration, because the people, those who are engaged in tourism, they are not saying about only one area, they are saying about different areas. So we can get the help from other area also, that we are learning about other cultures, other type of food items. Now we can see like that dabas here in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, like North Indian dabas, and it is written like that Chinese food is available, then Punjabi food is available, and like that things it is written. So from that we can see the nationally we are integrating, we are getting more connection. Then provide support to the local handicaps. What all things we are making, for example the earrings or caps, like that the local people what they are making, they are getting support from the tourism. Then cultural pursuit, we are getting the cultural interaction and development in our culture. Then it also help the development of the international understanding about our culture and heritage. Not only Indian inside, other people, international people, means the other country people, they are coming, so they are getting the understanding about the culture and heritage of India. Then foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism, they are and ecotourism. Then adventurous tourism, cultural tourism, medical tourism, and business tourism. We can see different types of tourism. We are just going and visiting one place. Not only that, they are the foreigners, they are coming different intention. Heritage tourism, ecotourism, that from that word you can understand what it means. Adventurous adventure tourism, last year you people went for a adventure trucking, that is a adventure thing, like that adventure tourism they are coming. And cultural, to understand different cultures of the state and country. Then medical tourism, nowadays we can see the development of medical tourism, especially in the time of corona. We have heard like that in Hyderabad or in Kerala or some of Tamil Nadu area. In medical tourism, that people they are coming and taking treatment here, and they said, some of the people they said, we are not ready to go back to our own country in this time, because we won't get proper treatment there, like that they were saying. So we can see the different types of tourism. And then again last one, it is business, for business purpose. Nowadays especially the multinational companies, they are coming to India or other countries, especially for the business tourism. There is a vast potential for development of tourism in all parts of the country, because the geographic factors, the relief features of India itself giving a variety of chance for tourism. And we know the Ayurvedic treatment, then Unani treatment, like that different types of treatments are available here in India. Then when we are comparing with the European and American continent treatment, it is very cheap here in India. So like that then the business people, they are thinking about cheap labor and like that things, that when we are thinking, all these factors are very favorable to India to develop the tourism. Efforts are being made to promote different types of tourism for the upcoming industry. Nowadays we can see, with the help of the social media or the we are making social media, people are trying to make the promotion of social this tourism in outside countries, and it is giving the some of the ecotourism along the mangrove forest in the Goa, it is given. And how the people they are enjoying that one, it is given here, the some of the pictures it is given. Then then it is given like that, prepare that is your activity what you want to do. Prepare a project on the heritage tourism in India. Project means not like that to submit, but to understand the types of tourism, means things we are having. See the Arunachal Pradesh, we won't get directly chance to go and visit, but it is given in the textbook, so you can see. And India ranked world's fourth best holiday haven. It is given the first place, and like India we got fourth place. Italy it is first, New Zealand second, and Australia third, India fourth, South Africa fifth, then France sixth, like that it is going. And in that there is no chance of America and other countries, but India we having. And this houseboat and other things, it is a special of our own country. So we are stopping here, and we'll continue in next video.